So here are my top 3 tips of adjusting to a new diagnosis of ADHD. Number 1, first of all, make sure it's the right diagnosis. That means seeing someone who knows about ADHD and has spent enough time. So filling out a questionnaire in a 10-minute interview is not enough time. Someone who spent at least 45 minutes, preferably an hour or 2, not necessarily a big testing battery, but really took the time to get it right, not just to identify ADHD, but also to identify, is there something else on top of ADHD or something else that looks like ADHD? So number 1, get the diagnosis right. Number 2, change what you can. Really work on managing your ADHD. Learn as much as you can. Talk to other people. You are not alone in this. Find clinicians who are going to be able to work with you and really create the best treatment program for you. Maybe see a therapist individually, maybe see a therapist with your romantic partner, maybe talk to a coach or an organizer, but change as much as you can. And then number 3 is accept the parts that remain. No matter how well you respond to treatment, no matter how many other great gifts and abilities you have, we all have limitations in life, within ourselves, within the constraints of our life. That's okay. You don't have to be perfect to feel like you can feel good about yourself. So get it right, change what you can, accept the rest. I think that's a pretty good recipe for happiness in life for all of us, ADHD or not, but maybe especially for ADHD.